If you want people to like you instantly, what do? Some people try to be funny, or they try to sound incredibly interesting. But the FBI does something very different. They exploit a biological glitch in your brain called the Chameleon Effect.
Trust me.
In 1999, psychologists discovered that humans have an uncontrollable, subconscious habit of mimicking the people they interact with. If you cross your arms, the person across from you will likely cross theirs. If you lean in, they lean in. It is an ancient evolutionary survival tactic designed to help us blend into the tribe. But here is the secret. When you subtly copy someone's body language, speech tempo, or facial expressions, their brain's mirror neurons light up like fireworks. It bypasses their logical brain completely and sends a massive, undeniable signal of safety. Their subconscious screams, "This person is exactly like me. I trust them. I am attracted to them." But former FBI lead hostage negotiator Chris Voss took this biological glitch and weaponized it. The FBI uses a technique called tactical mirroring. When you are talking to someone, you simply repeat the last 1 to 3 words of their sentence back to them, using an inquisitive tone. If they say, "I had a terrible day because my boss is constantly micromanaging me," you simply reply, "Micromanaging you." This simple repetition forces their brain to feel profoundly listened to and understood. It creates an illusion of intense empathy that instantly drops their emotional defenses, making them want to explain themselves further and connect with you on a deeper level. Now, this is obvious that you don't overuse it, because it will quickly sound unnatural and weird. You have to analyze the situation and use it subtly. With time, it will sound and flow naturally.